I was looking for a company to create a unique promotional item for my company, FineView Marketing. And I really wanted to do silicone wine glasses, but I wanted them branded with FineView Marketing, with our colors and with some funny marketing sayings. We just wanted to do something different and unique. And through my research, I kept coming up on companies that wanted to charge me $5 to $7 a glass. And as a small business owner, as a startup, that just didn't fit into my budget. So when I stumbled across Alibaba, I put in an inquiry and it came in that with shipping, I was able to get what I wanted for about $2 a glass. I mean, I think as a small business owner, you want to create something that really looks and feels like it's coming from your business, right? Like it's a piece of you, and they were able to bring that to life for me.